Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the 6th video I have filmed today, so that is why I'm wearing this same shirt in all 6 videos. But I wanted to do a really quick intro here until I hop into the actual meat of this video. So I got this idea from watching my friend Lisa Stevens here on YouTube shop my stash. So basically what this is doing is going through my collection and pulling out products that I'm going to focus on using that month, shopping my stash, shopping what I already have. And I feel like it's a really good way to kind of remember and rediscover products that are in my back stock. So this is where I keep most of my makeup products. And then under my vanity here is my everyday makeup drawer. So I kind of get in a rut sometimes and I just use what's under here for months at a time. And when I do that, I forget the stuff I have in here, and I have a lot of makeup. So doing something like a shop my stash monthly, bi-monthly, or whatever, not only will make me visually look at what I have, it'll remind me of what I have and show me what I have in back stock and make me rotate my collection. And I really enjoy watching her shop my stash videos. So I figured that I can do that with you guys, and some of you guys have actually requested that I do a shop my stash type thing. So I think you'll kind of get the feel of it once I do it a time or two, and you'll be like, okay, shop my stash. But basically I'm going through my collection, pulling out products I'm gonna work on, using that month or 2 months or whatever, and then the next month we'll do it again, and then the next time we'll do it again, and I'll kind of make it a thing. So let me know if you guys like these kind of shop my stash type videos, and we're gonna hop into it. Okay guys, so just to give you an idea of what my everyday drawer currently looks like, this is what I'm currently using. Now, a lot of these products that I'm going to use daily are part of my 9 by New Year's. So I did start a new project pan today, actually, where there's 9 products that I want to use up by New Year's. So those are definitely going to stay. But everything else I can switch out, and I'm definitely open to switching out. So my 9 by New Year's products, and I'm going to try to make this video not so wobbly. My 2 primers are the Benefit Professional, Hourglass, this eye primer by CoverGirl, this foundation by Tarte. What else? Oh, this Banana Setting Powder by Too Faced. This brow pencil, this eyeliner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What was the other thing? Oh, this bronzer right here. I also definitely want to keep probably this palette out, just because I've really been loving it and it's kind of new right now, and I don't want to get rid of it. By the way, I'm wearing PJ pants, so I thought I'd show you the life of a YouTuber. Okay, so everything else I am definitely open to swapping out. So actually this mascara, I don't like to swap out mascaras too much because they only last for so long, and if you have a lot open at the same time, they're gonna end up going bad. So I don't want to swap out that mascara, or probably any mascara, until I'm ready for a new one. You know what I mean? Okay, so everything else can go back. These bronzers I have been loving this month. I put them in my favorites, but I think it's time to give some love to some new bronzers. So I'm gonna pop those back in there. These highlighters have definitely had a lot of love this month. So this is my Dior highlighter and my Tarte highlighter. I don't have a spot for them. You know which one I want to bring out is the Anastasia highlighter, Emery Z. So I'm going to pull that out. And then maybe the Fenty one. Pull that one out too. So swapping those out. As far as bronzers go, I kind of want to use a newer bronzer. You know what? That's a contour palette. I kind of want to try this NARS Laguna. I've had this for a while and haven't really used it, I think, ever. So I can't open it with one hand, but I think I'm gonna pull this out and use it. Now this palette has a bronzer in it, and then of course this is part of my 9 by New Year's. So I have a feeling I'm gonna use this most often and maybe use that sometimes and then use this one sometimes. So I think that's good for bronzer, it's good for highlighter. There's also a highlighter in here. I am gonna put this one back. So this is, where's my facial palette? I'm gonna show you guys a makeup tour at some point, so no worries. You will definitely see what's in all these drawers at some point. That's on my next to film list. So putting that one back, this is my Amrezy. No, came out at the same time as Amrezy. No, is this the Amrezy? No, that's the Amrezy. Okay, so this is my Anastasia bronzer. Yeah, and Rosewood. That's gonna go back. Ooh, did not mean to put that in the trash box. Okay, let me put this bronzer away real quick. So there we go. Okay, as far as blush goes, let's see. I don't have any brand new blushes. You know what? That's a lie. I do have one by Laura Mercier that I just got. This one. I'm going to pull that one out. Put my Flower Beauty one back. And then, do I have any other ones in here? Oh, this is a highlighter too. You know what? I might leave this one out because I haven't really used it that much. So there's 3 highlighters. This one is a blush. It's a blush highlighter duo. So I might put that one back. Gosh, I don't have any room. I just decluttered and I kind of feel like I need to declutter again. Let me pull out a blush and then I'll have a spot for this one. So, you know what? I kind of want to use these cheek pops again. So I think I'm going to pull out, do I want to pull out Heather Pop? I'm going to pull out Fig Pop. So I'm going to pull that out, put this in there. So I'm going to have these 2 blushers. This is Tarte's Exposed. It's always in here. It's kind of like my backup. And these are palettes that are just too big to fit anywhere else. So they're always going to be in there too. So I think that's good. So I got a couple of bronzers, a couple of blushers, and then this palette. I'm also traveling this month. I'm traveling 2 weekends and then a week and a half. So I'm going to be traveling actually quite a bit. So I kind of need to keep that in mind when selecting my products, like which ones are travel friendly. So this palette is definitely travel friendly. So those are the kind of things I have to keep in mind when picking my stuff out. So, okay. This is my eye stuff. So this is it's actually eyebrow powder, but I use it to fill in my hairline. So that's always going to stay in there. As far as brow products go, this is almost gone, so I'm going to need to pull out a new brow product. I have one in mind that I'll show you guys in a minute. For eyeliners, I'm definitely going to use up for brown the Ardency in one so I can put away any other browns I have in here. So those are 2 browns. I do like this Charlotte Tilbury brown. I'm going to keep this one out too, just so I have some variety. Liquid liner, that's the only liquid liner I have, so I can't swap that out. Oh, do I have another Brow Wiz? Okay, so I don't need to swap out my Brow Wiz. I already have a backup in there. Black liner, I am going to put that one back because I have another one in mind that I'm going to pull out. And then this I can put back. It's just a glitter eyeshadow by MAC. And then mascara in the same route. I don't want to put this back because I want to finish those up. So put these back. So there's where my eyeliners go. And then glitter eyeshadows. I do kind of want to pull out a glitter eyeshadow. You know what? I really like the Hourglass ones. So I'm going to pull those ones out in a minute. And that's actually what this is. So this is one of the Hourglass Scattered Light. This is Hourglass Scattered Light. I've been loving this so much. I might put this one back so I can show some love to other ones. This is in the color Aura. which is a really pretty kind of like pinky color. But I think I'm gonna put that one away so I can use some other ones, because I've just been using that one so much because it's right here, you know what I mean? This is a Charlotte Tilbury cream shadow. I'm gonna leave this one out because I just got it not too long ago. And then this is like a mini palette by Chanel. I like to have a mini palette in there because it's just quick and easy, you know what I mean? But I might pull out some of these single shadows instead. Ooh, Bobbi Brown Moonstone. Yep, pulling that one out. I haven't used that one in a while. I kind of want to pull out a single matte shadow just so that I use them, you know what I mean? I have a few back here. I think I have Urban Decay Naked. Yeah, this is Urban Decay Naked. So I'm going to pull that one out. And then I'm going to put this little mini palette away. So here's my palette drawer. I think I also, so I'm going to leave it in this drawer just because a palette doesn't really fit in this drawer very well, in my everyday makeup drawer. But the palette I'm going to focus on using this month. I rotate and I use a new palette every day. But my go-to palette, I think, is going to be the Gingerbread Spice palette, just because it's in season, it's fun, it's new, why not, you know? So there's that. Put those in there. I think this is a good combination of things. So I have a matte for the crease, a cream shadow, like a glittery shadow, and then this is a new glittery shadow. Okay, as far as eyeliners go, so I have my two browns, and then my black one I want to use. This drawer is a mess, you guys. No judgment, please. This is like all my products, my new stuff that I haven't like put in its proper spot yet. So this Lancome black eyeliner is so good. So I'm going to pull that out. I also have, ooh, this is new, contour palette. Ooh, I forgot about this too. It's another one of the scattered lights. So I have Reflect and Smoke. It's not focusing, but this is the color Smoke. So I'm gonna put that up there. I want to use this pressed or loose powder by Too Faced. It's really, really good. So I'm gonna pull that out. I might pull this out too for concealer. So I've been loving the First Aid Beauty Bendy Avocado, but I kind of want to show some love to a new concealer. So I'm going to swap that out, and then I can put this up here with my concealers. I kind of think that's all I want to pull. I need to organize this drawer. It's just a hot mess. So I think that's all I'm going to pull out of there for now, because this then gives me, so I have three brow products, a black eyeliner, two browns, a liquid liner, two mascaras. That's good for eye stuff. Got some eyeshadows. And then for face products, I have a new concealer. I think if I only have one, that's good because it'll force me to use the one. I have my facial primers. This is one I could probably put back, but I'm going to just leave it in here for now. My powder foundation, which is like my daily foundation. I think I can swap this out. So anytime I wear a liquid foundation, I usually wear this one. However, I think I'm going to pull out my toothpaste. Oh, it didn't break. Whew! You guys almost witnessed a tragedy. The Too Faced one. This is what happens when I try to do things with one hand. Oh, thank God you didn't break. Phew. Okay, get the lid. Okay. So here is my Too Faced. So that'll be whenever I want to wear liquid foundation. Setting powder. I could probably take this out of the box, but for now it's just gonna go right there. You know what? Yeah, I'm actually gonna just put this in my powder drawer simply because I like for that to look a little bit more clean and just easily accessible things, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put this in here with my powder drawer, but that is gonna be the powder I use anytime I need to set my foundation. You know what I mean? So I think we're good. So we have foundation, setting powder, under eye powder. This is like a translucent under eye powder by Laura Mercier. I haven't used this in, I don't even remember. So I think I'm gonna put this away so that I'm forced to use the Candy Johnson one. The thing is, like, here's my powder drawer and it's already so full. So anything more I put in here is just like making it more full, you know what I mean? And messy, and I want the drawers to remain clean, but that's okay. Oopsie. So this drawer is powders, primers, and setting sprays, so maybe I just need to spread it out a little bit more. There we go. That works. Too Faced. Okay, that fits right there. Okay, that works for now. Still looks messy, but that's okay. Okay, I think we're good as far as shopping my stash goes. So I have my Project Pan stuff there. I have some new foundation, new concealer, new eyeshadow, new eyeliner, new bronzer, new highlighter, new blush. This is good. And then this is a new contour palette that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. And I don't have any contour products in here, so that'll be good to have in here too. Usually I just use a bronzer, but that'll be good. Okay, this is good. I'm really excited about this, and I'm really excited about this whole Shop My Stash thing. So in about a month or so, I will film an update of this where we kind of look at things and swap them out for new stuff again. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you do in the comment section down below so I can continue to film them. But these are the products I'm going to focus on this month, so we'll see. Maybe they'll end up in favorites videos, maybe not. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I will talk to you next time. Bye.